How to connect Instagram to Facebook. Welcome to another Facebook and Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account, and I'm going to show you how to do this both in the Instagram app and the Facebook app. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to first show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook in the Instagram app, the first thing you need to do is navigate to your profile in Instagram, then select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, select Accounts Center, and then all we want to do is select Profiles at the top of the menu. Now simply select Add Accounts, and in here, you just want to select Add Facebook Account, then go through the process of logging into your Facebook account, and that will connect it to your Instagram account. Now to show you how to connect Facebook to Instagram in the Facebook app. To do that, in the Facebook app, simply select the menu button in the bottom right, then select the gear in the top right to open up the settings. Once in the settings, select See More in Account Center near the top. And then we just want to select Profiles. From here, simply select Add Accounts. Then once you do that, select Add Instagram Account. It'll go through the same process of logging into your Instagram account and connecting it to your Facebook account. All right, so that's how you connect Instagram to Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram or Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.